A wildland fire can sweep through a forest with blazing force and intensity. If the forest has gone through extended periods of dry weather, a fire can be completely devastating. In these cases, and after less destructive disturbances, the damaged ecosystem must begin the slow process of regeneration known as succession. Annual plant life, such as weeds and wildflowers, are the first species to return to a disturbed habitat. They sprout from seeds during the first year or two after the fire. These pioneer plants help transform the mineral composition of the soil, making it more hospitable. Seeds from new, exotic plant species may be introduced to the area during this time, carried by the wind or wild animals. If such invasive species take hold in the ecosystem, they often hinder the regrowth of native plants. Within the next few years, grasses and perennial plants return to the area. Shrubs and tree seedlings grow within 25 years. They provide habitats for birds and small mammals, but shade out smaller plants. The forest floor becomes darker as the trees grow tall, and many of the once dominant pioneer species begin to die off, replaced by hardier, shade-tolerant plants. As environmental conditions become more favorable for hickory and oak trees, they too sprout. Approximately 150 years after the fire, the hickory and oak trees reach maturity, and the forest becomes a climax community. The populations of plants and animals stabilize, and the species composition of the forest ecosystem remains relatively constant until the next disturbance sets the process of succession in motion once again.